Hello, Slay Mama. At home, doing nothing. Bored. Don't you want to create a channel? Maybe not, maybe you do. But today, I got you. If you want to create a channel today, I got you. Okay, what is up, family? Welcome to my channel. I'm Truda and this is being the Truda. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start up your channel without a ring light and a camera. I started my YouTube channel without a camera and a ring light. It was during lockdown. It was hectic. I had nothing. I only had my phone, but I had to come up with a plan. So I'm going to show you guys how I started. I know it's quite a bit of a difficult journey, but it's possible. I did it. I started my channel, I think it was the beginning of lockdown. I don't remember the past few weeks. So I didn't have a ring light, I didn't have a camera, and I wanted to have a channel so bad. So I decided, you know what, let me come up with a plan, and I came up with a plan. You want to see the plan? I'm going to show you guys a plan I've came up with to help you guys have your own YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it possible without a camera and a ring light. Right now I'm filming with my ring light because I just got a ring light I think the past 2 days. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. This was my ring light. Don't laugh guys, this is not funny. This is how desperate I wanted to have a channel. This is how desperate I was. So this is like my selfie stick, and inside it's like can you see what inside? Some little rocks. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a bottle, plastic bottle, maybe a 2 liter, and then you're gonna just cut it like how I did it over here. And then when you're done, you're gonna have to find like some little stones. You're gonna need to place your selfie stick first, and then after that, that's when you're gonna like place the stones inside after. And then after that, it's a little bit funny, right? I know. This is how it's gonna look like. This is how it's gonna look like. And then you're gonna have to place your phone like this. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And then you're gonna have to wipe your lens. Like make it a point that you wipe your lens so that when you film it can be as clear as possible. You wipe your lens and you can adjust it however you want. You're gonna have to place your phone like this. Since we're creating our own fake ring light, you have to take this and place it as close to the window as possible. Okay guys, so this is how your phone has to be, is as close as possible to the window like this. Can you see? So and then I can film, I can just press here and maybe sit down and talk and film. So this is how you need to make it. Adjust it up. If you wanna feel like you're gonna sit down, you can even put it like this. So guys, this is our final setup. Our window, our light, open curtains, our phone, our ring light, our fake ring light. And guys, let's not forget that you need to have a Gmail account in order to be able to have a channel. Like for real, you need to have a Gmail account so that you can be able to have your channel activated. And secondly, guys, when you film, look directly at the camera. Like, okay, let me show you how. Like, directly right now I'm looking at the camera, I'm talking to you guys, and I'm directly looking at the camera, at the lens. And then when I'm looking at myself is when I'm doing like, oh hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, my name is Being the Truda, you understand? So you need to look directly at the lens. And guys, make it a point that you create content that has value. Like, you don't want to start your channel filming, spending a day with me, lunch with me, you understand? So if you want to have subscribers as early as possible, you need to make it a point that you film a video or something that's valuable. Let's say, for instance, how to draw eyebrows, how to I don't know, whatever, but make it a point that it's valuable and someone is going to find it very informative. So make it a point that it's very, 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 very valuable. Make sure that your videos have thumbnails and their intros are not long. They must have short intros and they must be nice, short and nice, like me. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.